welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for fig bars. So this time I got some dried figs, and I really wanted some fig Newtons, although I have made a recipe for fig Newtons using fresh figs. I haven't made one with dried figs. And this time I just decided, I don't know, I don't really want to make the same recipe over again, And so I wanted to make something a little bit different. And so these are fig bars. They're absolutely delicious, and they do remind you a lot of fig Newtons. So let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 8 ounces or 225 grams of dried figs, stemmed and quartered, 2 cups or 450 milliliters of water, half a cup or 100 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 1/4 cup or 150 grams of flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, a dash of salt, 1/3 cup or 80 grams of butter, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of brown sugar, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar. In a medium saucepan, combine dried figs, water, a pinch of salt, and sugar. You may not need the full amount of water, but you will want the figs to be covered in water initially. Simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the amount of water reduces to only a few tablespoons. As mentioned, you can use less water to speed up this process. I probably used too much water, and mine took the better part of an hour. I think it was 55 minutes. If you use less water, it should take less time for you. Allow to cool enough to be touchable. While that is cooling, in a large mixing bowl, cream the butter. Beat in sugar, a dash of salt, baking powder, and vanilla. Beat in the egg, add the flour. The dough will be relatively dry. Set aside some of the dough. Pour the rest into an 8 by 8 inch lined baking form. Press the dough into the dish. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. While that is baking, take the now touchable fig mixture and put it in a blender or food processor along with the lemon juice, and puree it as well as you can. Right after taking the crust out of the oven, pour or spoon the fig mixture onto the crust. Crumble the rest of the dough over the top of the fig mixture. Bake again for about 15 minutes. Allow to cool a while. Remove from the baking pan using the baking paper. Cut into small squares. These fig bars are amazing. They taste like very figgy fig Newtons that are also nice and moist and not nearly as dry. They take a bit of time, but they are well worth it. My kids love them too. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakerangermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.